Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 11th, and we are going to go through what we're doing today. So let us move on. Our announcements today: if you are an in person student, that means if you are going to school on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, any combination of that, please bring your completed pennants on Thursday. Again, if you're an A through L person, we started those yesterday, and I don't think anybody finished except for Ruta. So please bring those back on Thursday. We will hang those up, and you will get credit for those. If you're M through Z, well, you're about to get that right now. If you are virtual, you can just forget about that. There's no pennant that you need to do. And then finally, our other announcement, and it's kind of exciting, is that our first real unit will start on Thursday. I know the first few days are a little weird because we're doing a lot of Canvas and how do you do this and how do you do that and so on. That will start to end on Thursday. We'll actually get into some vocab and some grammar. Our week ahead, well, we did Canvas and Gmail yesterday, and today we're going to do discussions in Canvas. This is something that's really important, and I'll explain why in a second. And then tomorrow, when everyone is virtual, we are going to do Flipgrid. I think some of you have done that before. If you had me last year, you definitely did Flipgrid. So let's go ahead and move on. So our objective today is students will post in a discussion on Canvas. And we know we will be successful if we do two things. One, that you will write at least 2 sentences in a discussion post. You have to answer the question that I have on Canvas. And the second of our success criteria is that students will comment on another student's post. So for instance, if Vaughn posts something, he needs to look at all the other people that have posted and he needs to comment on someone else's. So let's say, again, Vaughn's done. He's done his post. He looks at Biox. He agrees with something or he disagrees with something. He can politely and appropriately respond to that person's post. Why are we doing this? Well, discussions are a main way that you're going to interact with each other this year. Obviously, you only have a few kids in each other's class. So we want to make sure that we can interact with all the EL intermediate students, not just the 4, 5, 6 kids in your class. And we need to learn how to appropriately do this. And then finally, what is due? It's already been 2 days, and I know we've done a few assignments. So hopefully this page will kind of help you. The About Me assignment, which is the Google form from yesterday, if it will load. Yep, the Google form from yesterday. Make sure you have done that. That is due by tomorrow, 8 a.m. Otherwise, you're going to get emails and emails from me, so make sure you do it. And then second, the first day feels discussion. That's also going to be due at 8 a.m. tomorrow. That's the discussion we're going to do in a second. So I'm going to switch over to Canvas. We have our announcements. Hopefully you're watching this and the announcements right now. I'm going to show you how to get to the discussion. So there are 2 ways we can do this. If you go down to modules, you're going to have 3 choices. If you're someone that's A through L, well, we can go on that welcome back mini module group A through L, and you can click on first day fields. If you're virtual, you're going to do the same thing, except you're going to click on it with the welcome back mini module group virtual. Or you can click on discussions and you will see the first day fields right here. So once you get to whichever one you're going to do, click it. And the topic for today is, how has your first day of school gone? Is it what you expected? You must post 1 comment and you must nicely reply to 1 other student. So my example was, my first day of school was weird but good. I enjoyed having students back in class, but having only 4 kids in a few classes was simply unusual. Many of the kids were quiet. I hope you all speak up soon. It's going to be a different year, but I'm going to work harder than I have ever for my students. And then let's say, let's say Angela, she reads this and she replies, Mr. Grayson, Mr. Grayson, I also thought today was weird. Hopefully it gets better. And then once you've replied to someone, you will hit post reply. Okay. So that is what we're doing today. Again, if you have not done the About Me form, get that done. Okay. The link is on your announcement that you're looking at right now. And hopefully you will have both the About Me assignment and the first day feels discussion done today. And I'll check up on you if you haven't. Have a wonderful day. Good luck with all your classes. And if you need any help, please, please, please ask me. Again, we start the new stuff on Thursday, so get excited. Have a good day.